Hey, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this cool countdown pop-up that will add urgency and skyrocket your sales. So head to the dashboard and go to Templates. Then Pop-ups, add a new one, and name it. And click Create Template. Since we're creating our custom design, close this. Next, open Pop-up Settings and make the width 100% to make it full screen, and the height 300. In the vertical, select the pop-up to appear on the top. Next, slide the overlay off, choose Entrance Animation Fade In, and set how fast your animation will fade in. In Style, make the color transparent. Then, turn off the box shadow and set the size and position of the close button. Let the design breathe and add some space around the pop-up. Then, in the advanced setting, set the padding to 30 pixels. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of designing it. Add a section with 3 columns. Set the vertical align to the middle. And change the background color to blue in the Style tab. Next, drag a heading widget, type your title, and adjust the font size and weight. Next, drag a button widget, type text. Play around with the font size and choose colors. Now drop the countdown widget and stretch it out by pulling the columns. Under Type, set the evergreen timer. This means that every user starts fresh from the beginning of the timer when they land on the page. Set the timer to 24 hours. And define what will happen after actions expire. Hide the whole countdown timer. Here, compose your message. Under Style, change the background color and choose all the specific settings you need: font size, weight, etc. Drag and drop a Lottie widget. Click on Source, set external URL, and paste your Lottie file URL. Next, click on Setting and turn on Loop. I'll click Publish. So go to the Conditions window and shift it to the entire site. We want this pop-up to appear 3 seconds after loading for users who haven't logged in. In the Triggers tab, the page load slide to Yes, and set the duration to make it load after 3 seconds. In Advanced Rules, since we want this sale only for new customers, let's hide the pop-up from our logged-in users and define how many times you want the pop-up to appear. Save and close. Let's have a look. After 3 seconds, you'll see your pop-up in action. If you have a short-term sale on a product, a pop-up with a countdown is a great way to motivate users to act immediately. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and pop-ups to catch you later.